What causes light sensitivity in the human eye? Imagine stepping into a bright room after being outside in the sun. Your eyes might feel uncomfortable or even hurt. That feeling is what we call light sensitivity or photophobia. But what exactly causes this? Let's explore how the eye's anatomy and its defense systems work together to protect us from too much light. First, the eye has a special muscle called the iris that controls how much light enters. It adjusts the size of the pupil, which is the black opening in the center of the eye. When it's bright outside, the iris contracts to make the pupil smaller, letting in less light. When it's dark, the iris relaxes, making the pupil larger to let in more light. If this process doesn't work properly, too much light can flood into the eye, causing discomfort. The outer layer of the eye, called the cornea, is packed with nerve endings that are very sensitive. If the cornea gets scratched, dry, or infected, these nerves send pain signals to the brain. This can make you more sensitive to light because your eye is already irritated. The uvea, which includes the iris, ciliary body, and choroid, can also become inflamed. This inflammation can activate nerve fibers that send signals of pain or discomfort when exposed to light. Inside the eye, the retina has special cells called rods and cones that detect light and color. While these cells themselves don't cause pain, if they are overstimulated by very bright light, they can send signals through neural pathways that make you feel uncomfortable. A key player in transmitting pain signals is the trigeminal nerve. It supplies sensation to many parts of the eye, including the cornea and surrounding tissues. When these tissues are inflamed or irritated, the trigeminal nerve sends messages to the brain that you are in pain. Bright light can also cause blood vessels in the eye to dilate, which can stretch or activate nerve endings, making the discomfort worse. Certain conditions can make light sensitivity more likely. For example, eye inflammation like iritis or uveitis, corneal injuries, or dryness can all increase sensitivity. Eye surgeries or trauma can also cause temporary photophobia. Diseases affecting the iris or retina, such as albinism or retinitis pigmentosa, can reduce pigment or damage cells, making the eye less able to block out excess light. People with lighter-colored irises often experience more light sensitivity because they have less pigment to absorb light. In summary, light sensitivity happens when parts of the eye that protect and sense light are inflamed, damaged, or not functioning properly. The nerves that send pain signals become activated, making you feel discomfort when exposed to bright light. Understanding these factors helps in diagnosing and managing conditions that cause photophobia.